Check out this hidden feature known as hide icons that can be found on your Nothing phone with Android 15 Nothing OS 3. So you want to know where to find this feature. At default, it should be enabled once you have your app drawer enabled. So if you have your app drawer, the swipe up app drawer here enabled, then it should be here. And in order to find it while in this view mode here, you're going to swipe from the left to the right. And as you do that, you'll see this right here. That's going to show up for you. So go ahead and tap on this if it's your first time. And once in this section here, you can now choose the icons that you want to hide away. So let's just say there's some icons here I want to hide away. Maybe I don't want anybody to know that I have a calculator, just for demonstration purposes. And I don't want nobody to know that I'm playing Angry Birds. So it's going to tap on that as well. So now you'll see that these are all hidden here. And when I come out of here, they are going to be in the hidden section. So as I come out now and I go into my app drawer, I won't see the calculator and I won't see the Angry Birds. So that's all this really does. It hides it away so you won't be able to see it. And when I'm ready to access it once again, I'll go back here and I can access it from here now as hidden icons. And of course, if I want to remove them from the hidden section, go back to the edit icon, tap on the negative here, the minus, and they're no longer being hidden. And you can repeat this at any given time, like I said.